Release the old self, own the impact, and repair what you can. And if you're joining us for the first time, I'm Dawn Finn, a Diamond Mind advisor and coach, as well as the executive director to Community and Life Services. I'm exploring transformation through the lens of thinking into results and the 12 steps of Alcoholics Anonymous. Because thinking into results teaches us that our results, our actions, our outcomes are always in harmony with the image we hold of ourselves. Bob Proctor also taught that a paradigm is a collection of habits, beliefs, emotional reactions, and behaviors that have become automatic. They just run in the background. And until that deeper pattern changes, our results tend to stay the same. So after becoming aware of this pattern and really the self-image, steps 4, 5, and 6 of AA, then the next questions really become, am I willing to stop identifying with this pattern? This is where the next 3 steps come into play, steps 7, 8, and 9. They really add some more power to our transformation. Because step 7 I ask to humbly remove my shortcomings. I see this as becoming willing to release the old identity. How am I letting go of that self-image? Not because I was bad, not because you were bad, but because some parts of us were created to survive and they no longer serve who we are becoming. Like control, people-pleasing, fear, resentment, scarcity, old paradigms often trying to protect us while they quietly limit us. They limit me. So step 8 then asked me to make a list of the people I had harmed and became willing to make amends. As our awareness grows, we begin to see patterns that create a ripple effect. Our beliefs are shaped by our actions. Our actions affected our relationships. This is not about guilt, but about awareness. And step 9 asked me to make direct amends wherever possible. This is where transformation becomes visible. This is where people start to see that we really have changed. Not because we owe perfection, but because our behavior begins aligning with the new self-image that Thinking into Results Bob Proctor has helped us build and continue building. So Thinking into Result teaches that when identity changes, action flows. So these steps ask me and ask us, what old identity am I ready to release? What impact am I willing to acknowledge? And what would it look like to live as the person I truly believe myself to be? If this message resonated with you, you want to explore these ideas more deeply, feel free to connect with me. I'll place some information below that you can connect, some links. Whether you're navigating recovery, personal growth, leadership, or simply becoming more aware of the pattern shaping your life, I'd love to continue this conversation with you. So until next time, keep showing up.